Hello everybody, my name is BDF and welcome to a brand new Technic Alt MOC build. Today, a new series, 42093 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is the latest feature of our MOC series. Our first conversion today being from the base 42093 set into a mini submarine. A very fascinating set coming in at 323 pieces across 88 steps. To divide that is an average of 3.6 pieces per section for the mini submarine, which is a working marine propeller, engine with 2 pistons powered by the rotation of the crank, and openable top cover. This is very interesting. Let's strip the Corvette ZR1 apart, put the pieces in the recording tubs, and get to today's conversion, the mini submarine. Enjoy. It is a full-on complete conversion from 42093's base model set into the Submarine. This is amazing and a great start to 42093's MOC series. I love this. Look at this. Look at the crank. Oh my god. This is so cool and I love it. It has a little 2-piston engine, as you would have seen during the build, that works. This is absolutely incredible and I love this from start to finish. It took about an hour and 10 minutes to build. Very nice. No problems at all. There's one spare piece like about halfway through the build. Very nice indeed. I'm a big fan of this. The Corvette ZR1 branding going perfectly. The Corvette ZR1 Submarine is complete, and I'm such a huge fan of this thing. Honestly, this is so cool. Really easy, very simple. I love this so much. This is just so freaking cool. First is going. Who's going too fast? And now we start. A very fun model. 42093 has got so many funky and cool builds, and I'm going to be doing every single one of the funky ones, even if I have to pay for them. They look so freaking amazing, and we're going to be doing some of these special race models as well. As always, if you thought down below, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. How do you feel about the set? Would you build it? Would you buy the original? This is incredible. 42093 has got a plethora, and I mean a bloody plethora of incredible builds, and I'm going to be doing a lot of them over the next couple months. I cannot wait. Lovely start to this series. Amazing. Adore this Submarine. On to the next. And with that said, I've been BDFO team. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.